Hey, do you want to learn how to generate web app using Base44? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you how to add your own logo as well in this tutorial. So first you need to log into an account, and then over here, you can type in your prompt. You can also select the style. So let's say you want the user interface to look like one of these. You can click here to add style instructions. First, you need to type the prompt here, and then you can add the style instruction. So it's going to make that app in this particular style. It's pretty good this way. There's also a plus icon over here to upload files. This is useful if, let's say, you want generated app to have your uploaded files in it. For example, maybe you want the background to be your uploaded file, or you want your logo to be added in the web app. There's app categories here. If you want one of these, you can do that. I've built these apps here. So I'm going to go inside Habitly. This is one app where I've added the logo. I'm going to show you this is how it looks like. I said, okay, create a habit tracker app. And this is what it has created, all the layouts and everything. Then I said, okay, change the Habitly logo to my attached logo. And I've added this using this plus icon. And that's it. Now it has changed this logo over here to my logo. After that, I thought, okay, I wanted one page to be public. Let's say, for example, you want a landing page that should be public. And after that, people can sign in to their account if they want to look at the other pages like these. But for this, what you need to do is on the left-hand side, you need to say, keep just the dashboard public, but all the other pages private that requires login. And what it's going to do is it's going to keep that one page that you want public and all the other pages behind the login wall. But before this works, you do need to go inside dashboard, and in overview, you need to change the app visibility to public first, and then uncheck require login to access, and then click on publish over here. Now we are here in the dashboard, but this is public, right? But if I go inside calendar, it is going to say sign in is required. And then when I click on sign in with Google, it's going to take us over to this login page. So yeah, this works pretty good. In dashboard, you've got the overview. You can change your project name from here. You can invite users. If you want to hide the badge that you see here, you do need to upgrade to a paid plan. I've put a link in the description if you want to go through that and buy any of these paid plans. It's going to help me out with a small commission. Next up, we got users here. You can invite users and such. There's database. So the best part about Base44 is that they have their own database inside. So you do not need to depend on Supabase or another database provider. You can just use the inbuilt database facility that they have. They've got this whole thing. You can add new entry here. You've got actions. You can import or export the database, schema, or delete all. So yeah, this is what it is. There's analytics. You've got the top pages and a lot more over here. You can also change this subdomain that you see here, the Base44 domain. You can click here and edit URL and change the built-in domain. This is really neat. What it would do is it would make it like this instead of a long name over here. So if I click on edit URL, change to default, it's going to look like this. And I do not like this. It's just better to keep it with your app name and then change it. This is going to look very neat, and you can share it with other people as well. If you do not want to add your own custom domain, this is perfect. Now, if you want to add your own custom domain, you do need to opt for a paid plan, and you cannot go for a starter plan. In this case, you do need the builder plan in order to add the custom domain. There's security next. You can scan issues. So you can start security check where you have security issues inside your app. Like it's going to say to RLS recommendations found. You can view the recommendations. You can apply fixes just by clicking on the apply fixes button. You've got code here. If you want to download the code files to your computer, you do need to maintain this file structure and copy them one by one if you're on the free plan. They've got the database here in entities. You can copy them as well. And on the top right, you've got this GitHub and code editing. You can click on it. And if you've got the builder plan, you can click on this export project to GitHub, and it's going to take you over to GitHub and clone the project there. And then you can easily download your project from there. There's export project as zip. If you want to directly download it as zip, you can do that. But this requires the Builder, Pro, Elite, or Enterprise plans. All right. Next up, you got agents. You can enable them and work with the AI agents in it. There are settings. You can change the logo. This is your logo here. You can upload your own logo. If you want, you can also generate a logo. You can just say, okay, I want minimalistic logo for habit tracker app, and then click on generate new logo. And it's going to make it for you with AI. If you want to use this logo for your app, you can just right click it and save image as to download it to your computer, and then just ask the AI to add it in your web app. But I would prefer if you use some other AI generation tool like ChatGPT in order to generate a logo. This does not do a great job here. There is app settings. You can change the main page here. So default landing page, you can change it to some other one, and it's going to land on that page when someone accesses your app. There is app visibility. I've already showed you what it does. Clone app. If you want to clone this app, you can do that. There's app templates if you want to publish it to the app templates listing page. That's also possible. Now, you're not going to be paid for it. It's not like you created the template so you can get paid for it. No, that's not going to happen. It's just so that the community can discover and they can use your template to build something else based on it. There's a delete app feature here. If you want to delete it from here, you can do that. There's authentication next. Maybe you don't want people to sign up or sign in with email or password authentication. You can just disable it from here. You can also disable or enable the Google authentication, Microsoft, and Facebook authentication. I really like this, that they have this ability to connect Google authentication, Microsoft authentication inside Base44 because it's not available in Lovable AI or other web app builders. This is a really nice thing. And also this over here, this database thing, you are not dependent on Supabase, but in Lovable AI, you're dependent on Supabase. They don't have their inbuilt database capability. So yeah, that's what it is. And I've already showed you how to build the app and add a logo, create public or private pages and such. Make sure to always publish your app once you have made some changes. And yeah, that's it. That's how to build a web app in Base44. This is a quick guide on how to do it. If you want to learn more about Base44, you can check out at the end on the right hand side. There is a playlist. Go through that. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment, and see you there in another video. Bye for now.